There is a buzz going around about Devin, so let's talk about Devin AI first. Recently unveiled by Cognition Labs, Devin promised to revolutionize software engineering, but has it lived up to the hype? The answer might not be what you expected. Critics and observers, notably through a detailed video analysis by Internet of Bugs, found discrepancies between the advertised capabilities and actual performance. Key points of contention include: the first one is cherry-picked tasks. It was revealed that the demonstrations of Devin's abilities were based on carefully selected tasks that placed the AI in the best light possible. This raised questions about the system's versatility and effectiveness in a broader range of software engineering scenarios. Second one, bypassing client communication. In the realm of software engineering, communication with clients or stakeholders to understand the full scope and nuances of a task is crucial. Critics pointed out that Devin's demonstrations skipped this crucial aspect, focusing solely on coding, which misrepresented the entirety of a software engineer's responsibilities. If you're enjoying this video, please do like, share, and subscribe the channel. Third is the failure to meet deliverables. An example cited involved a task where Devin was expected to provide instructions for setting up a system on AWS, Amazon Web Services. However, Devin's solution did not meet the outlined requirements, instead offering a solution that was executed locally. This discrepancy highlighted a significant gap between promised results and actual outcomes. Fourth one is the creation and resolution of its own bugs. In some instances, Devin was shown to fix bugs within a task. Upon closer inspection, it was discovered that these were not pre-existing bugs in the system, but rather errors introduced by Devin itself. This raised concerns about the AI's debugging prowess being overstated, as it was essentially solving problems of its own making. The culmination of these issues points to a broader concern within the tech industry: the hype surrounding AI capabilities. While Devin's demonstrations were impressive at first glance, the omission of critical details and the embellishment of its abilities contributed to a narrative that may not fully align with its current technological capacity. This situation underscores the importance of critical evaluation and tempered expectations when assessing emerging technologies, especially in the rapidly evolving field of AI. Also, there is a point that we should not forget. Devin is just released. Definitely there would be some flaws, and it's not made to remove or to eat someone's job that is made to ease the work. Moving on to a broader perspective, the Stanford University's Institute for Human-Centered Artificial Intelligence recently released its annual AI Index report. And folks, the results are nothing short of astonishing. AI has now surpassed humans in almost all performance benchmarks, from image classification to natural language inference. Here's a more detailed breakdown: surpassing human benchmarks. The report outlines a series of domains where AI has not just met but exceeded human performance levels. These include image classification, where AI first surpassed human accuracy in 2015, followed by advancements in reading comprehension, visual reasoning, and natural language inference in subsequent years. This trajectory of progress underscores AI's growing proficiency in interpreting and processing complex information, rivaling human cognitive abilities. Need for new benchmarks. As AI continues to excel, many of the existing benchmarks have become obsolete. The rapid pace at which AI systems are evolving necessitates the development of more challenging tests. The goal is to identify areas where AI still lags behind human capabilities, ensuring that future advancements address these gaps. This evolution of benchmarks reflects a shift from assessing AI on terms of competence to understanding its nuances and limitations compared to human intelligence. Advancements in specific fields. Math problem solving. The report highlights significant improvements in AI's ability to solve complex mathematical problems. For instance, a GPT-4-based model demonstrated the capability to solve 84.3% of problems from the math dataset, which consists of competition-level math problems. This is a stark improvement from just a few years prior and edges closer to the human baseline of 90%, showcasing AI's increasing aptitude for high-level cognitive tasks. Visual Common Sense Reasoning, VCR. Beyond mere object recognition, AI's proficiency in VCR signifies its ability to apply common sense knowledge to visual contexts, making predictions about scenarios depicted in images. The report notes a 7.93% increase in VCR performance, pushing AI closer to human-level understanding of visual scenes and their potential implications. Challenges and limitations. While AI has made remarkable strides, it's crucial to acknowledge its limitations. particularly in generating reliable and accurate content. The phenomenon of AI hallucinations, where models generate misleading or entirely fabricated information, presents a significant challenge as seen in the legal sector, with a lawyer fined for submitting AI-generated but factually incorrect legal documents. Efforts to benchmark the truthfulness and reliability of AI-generated content are ongoing, with tools like Truthful QA aiming to evaluate AI's ability to avoid propagating misconceptions. AI's progress is undeniable, offering both groundbreaking opportunities and new challenges. As AI continues to evolve, the focus will likely shift towards enhancing its reliability, ethical use, and the development of more sophisticated benchmarks to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. This journey is about surpassing human performance and ensuring that AI advancements align with human values and societal needs. On a brighter note, the launch of Stable Diffusion 3 has set new standards in text-to-image generation. The new multimodal diffusion transformer (MMDIT) architecture uses separate sets of weights for image and language representations, which improves text understanding and spelling capabilities compared to previous versions of Stable Diffusion. In partnership with Fireworks AI, Stability AI promises unmatched speed and reliability. With improved text understanding and adherence to prompts, it's poised to unleash creativity across various sectors. This represents an advancement in AI and a leap towards more accessible and open generative AI platforms. NVIDIA, fueling AI's evolution, it is at the forefront of accelerating AI technology, especially with its support for Meta's Llama 3, a sophisticated large language model. By optimizing AI performance across various platforms, NVIDIA ensures that advanced AI tools become more accessible and efficient. The company's use of its powerful GPUs and networking technologies showcases its commitment to enhancing the infrastructure needed for AI's computational demands, aiming to democratize AI access for developers, researchers, and businesses globally. Meta, integrating AI into daily digital life. Meta is integrating AI more deeply into its suite of applications, upgrading its AI chatbot with Llama 3 to provide smarter assistance across Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. This move aims to make AI a more integral part of the user experience, offering new features like web searches, faster image generation, and animated images. However, Meta is also navigating the challenges of ensuring the AI-generated content is accurate and appropriate, highlighting the importance of responsible AI usage. NVIDIA and Meta are making significant strides in advancing and applying AI, with NVIDIA enhancing the AI infrastructure and Meta embedding AI into user interactions. Their efforts illustrate the tech industry's push towards exploiting AI's potential, balancing innovation with the challenges of accuracy and ethical considerations. Lastly, let's touch on something straight out of a sci-fi movie: AI dogfights. The US Air Force has confirmed successful tests where AI-controlled jets went nose-to-nose with human pilots. And on the ground, Google's DeepMind hints at a whopping $100 billion investment in AI, signaling a future where AI's influence spans across all facets of life and technology. And there you have it, from skepticism around Devin AI to groundbreaking developments and the boundless potential of AI. The journey of AI is filled with incredible highs and cautionary tales, reminding us of the power and responsibility that comes with this transformative technology. What do you think the future holds for AI? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed.